You ever wonder life without a father? When you look at your mother and she has suffered, your brother and sister feeling the hunger, you ask Jaja, how can life be better? Should you be a shutter or a doctor? So I put my knees on the ground, prayed without a sound, for inspiration to overcome the sufferation. Tears falling like rain. That's when I remembered to focus on the game. And that mama said, prove yourself. Mama didn't burst no bomb. Mama say never run. Mama say fight till it's done. Mama say overcome. Overcome.
After all they have been doing, and the life that we can bear, stand up and prove yourself.
Motivational music. Buff Bay raised me. Buff Bay Primary, the library where I studied. Mama worked for Mrs. Ivy. She was Chinese. But don't mind the ethnicity. It was always about the money. Went to New York City, where money was plenty. But I wasn't ready. Didn't know what it took to be wealthy. Had to learn to hustle. Every mickle make a muscle. My granny used to say, I just had to find a way. So I put my knees on the ground, prayed without a sound, for inspiration to overcome the suffering.